Well, Maria, it will be all eyes on the jury box tomorrow after one of those jurors was called to the bench and questioned by the judge for several minutes before walking out. The judge saying nothing today about that situation. Today, those jurors hearing some of the prosecution's most technical and most critical evidence.
I am.
Today, the prosecution calling one single witness to the stand, a cell phone data expert who analyzed John O'Keefe's phone. It is some of the most technical evidence prosecutors are presenting to the jury so far. The expert from a company called Cellbrite looked at GPS data showing O'Keefe's trip with Karen Read to the house on Fairview Road, health data showing how many steps he took, and the phone battery's temperature, which he says dropped over time from O'Keefe's arrival at the house to when it was found under his body the next morning. That expert saying the data leads him to believe O'Keefe never went inside 34 Fairview the night he died.
Based on the totality of all of the information that we've described, my opinion is that the device never moved far away from the flagpole.
That expert also testifying about data he analyzed on Jen McCabe's phone and the Google search for, quote, how long it takes to die in the cold, saying that search wasn't done in the middle of the night like the defense claims, instead saying it was searched the next morning when Karen Read and McCabe found O'Keefe's body in the snow. This testimony comes as Karen Read takes a blow from the U.S. Supreme Court, which rejected her double jeopardy appeal, denying to even hear the case. Read claimed jurors in her last trial found her not guilty in private on some charges. Walking out of court, Read maintaining her confidence.
Clear the way. Nothing's breaking me.
Now, as for the juror who left today, it's unclear what kind of questions were asked or conversations had with the judge before that juror left, and whether that juror will be back tomorrow. Reporting live in Dedham, Emily Maha, WCVB News Center 5.